hundreds of Teslas destroyed in protest to Musk. On March 1st, 2025, a large-scale protest erupted outside a Tesla store in New York City with hundreds of demonstrators chanting slogans such as "Down with Musk" and "Boycott Tesla." The protesters demanded accountability from Tesla CEO Elon Musk's first leadership of the Department of Government Efficiency, DOGE, and its controversial federal layoff policy. The demonstrations quickly spread to cities including Boston, Los Angeles, and Jacksonville, Florida. Some extreme protesters even set Tesla charging stations on fire and vandalized vehicles with Nazi symbols, leading to multiple arrests. Tesla stock has now been in decline for 7 consecutive weeks, wiping out over $800 billion in market value. Since being appointed head of the Department of Government Efficiency by Donald Trump in January 2025, Musk has spearheaded a sweeping federal layoff initiative. This plan has resulted in nearly 100,000 federal employees being terminated or accepting buyout agreements, and hundreds of government assistance contracts being cancelled. Critics have condemned the move as sacrificing public welfare in the name of efficiency, further deepening societal tensions. Trump has publicly backed Musk, dismissing the protesters as radical leftist lunatics and even purchasing a red Tesla Model S to show his support. The White House has labeled the violent actions against Tesla as domestic terrorism and has not directly addressed the controversy surrounding the policy. Under Title 18, Section 1361 of the U.S. Code, intentional damage to federal or private property carries a maximum penalty of 10 years in prison. Arson could lead to even harder charges under arson laws, with sentences of up to 20 years in prison. Additionally, many protests have violated states' public order laws by obstructing traffic and disrupting public safety, leaving participants potentially facing fines or short-term detention. If this happened in China, destroying Tesla cars would constitute the crime of intentional destruction of property, which holds a sentence of up to 7 years. As the minimum bar of this particular crime is 5,000 RMB and the price of a Tesla is around $250,000, there would certainly be a conviction. Arson in China is also a very serious crime. If people were hurt or killed in the process of blowing up charging stations, the arsonist would be looking at a minimum penalty of a lethal injection or a bullet to the head. Need a lawyer? Call Edgar.